A very good day to everyone. We are here to present a School Innovation Marathon project, a smart noise alert system. I am Yajat and this is my teammate Poorna. We are from grade 8 Excel Public School, Mysuru.
Classrooms are meant to be peaceful spaces where students can focus and learn effectively. But in reality, excessive noise is one of the biggest daily challenges in schools.
High noise levels reduce concentration, affect memory, increase teacher stress, and disturb the entire learning environment. Teachers often have to pause the teaching and repeatedly warn students, which becomes tiring and inconsistent.
To address this issue, we created Decibel Defenders, an AI-assisted real-time noise monitoring and alert system.
Our Python software runs directly on a laptop and continuously measures classroom sound levels. It calculates the decibel values and classifies them into low, moderate, high, and extreme levels.
And here is the most important part. The system can be installed directly on the teacher's laptop, making it extremely easy to use without any special hardware.
Whenever the noise crosses the set limit, the software instantly communicates with the Arduino through the COM port. This triggers a buzzer when noise is high and a loud siren when it reaches extreme levels.
This reduces burden on teachers. Instead of repeatedly reminding students, the automated alert acts immediately, helping students correct their noise levels on their own.
We also surveyed our teachers and the results were clear. Almost all our teachers experience stress due to classroom noise and over 90% of them prefer an automated alert system like ours.
Our solution is low cost, easy to install, and can be used in any classroom.
With our smart noise alert system, we aim to make classrooms quieter, healthier and a better place for learning.
Thank you for watching our project, Decibel Defenders.